or some diyas. Of course, Diwali hai to diya ke bina kya Diwali. And there is this again surprise. I don't know. I mean, आपने इतना कुछ पहले से ही under wraps रखा हुआ है. So it's like, let me see. अभी ये भी खोल के देखना है. I'm just finding it in front of you guys. All right. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a Bluetooth speaker. Oh my God, amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, this is amazing. I loved it, Beauty Garage. You're so thoughtful. All right, this is lovely. This is lovely. I loved it. I loved your hamper. Amazing it is. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And happy Diwali to you too and to each one of you who are a part of this team and plus my viewers. Happy pre-bash Diwali.